असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, hello children. Welcome to MRMS Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss Grade 3 Science Chapter 7 The Story of Cooking Session 4. Today we are going to learn different ways of cooking food. There are different ways of cooking food. Let's learn about some methods or ways in which food can be cooked. For example, boiling, steaming, roasting, baking, and frying. These are the methods of cooking food. Today we are going to discuss boiling and steaming method of cooking food. Let's learn about boiling. Boiling is a method of cooking food. Boiling is the method of cooking food in water. No oil is used in boiling. We cook rice, dal, rajma and chana by boiling. Some vegetables, meat and eggs can also be boiled. Let's learn about steaming method of cooking food. Steaming is a method of cooking food in steam. We cook idlis, doklas, appams and some vegetables by steaming. Food gets cooked faster and nutrients in the food are not lost in this method. No oil is used in this method of cooking. In next session, we are going to discuss about roasting, baking and frying in detail.